How to find CashApp account number and routing number. Hello everybody. If you are wanting to do that, you may follow these steps. So open up your CashApp application first and you should be finding this interface. So from the given interface, you can directly find the cash balance displayed on your screen. So right beside cash balance, you should be finding an option called account and routing. You may tap on that option. And once you tap on it, it will display up your balance along with the routing number and your account number, which is right under add cash and cash out option. So you may tap on it to view it like this, and there you will be given the routing number and account number in full details. So you may also find copy routing number and copy account number. If you need it, you may tap on this copy option in order to copy your account number and routing number. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.